Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome everyone. This video is recorded to explain again the Videopad and how we are going to use it. So first I would like to talk about the interface of this Videopad. We have four sections. One is here. Here you have to add your files, and there is your screen will run. Means your scene will run here. This is your timeline, where you can check your times of video. You have to add more elements, and this all is video section like video track, and the last one is audio track. Your all video track will be here and audio track will be this side on the bottom. When you add any video contains audio, it will automatically come on this side. So I'm just going to add some files, same files which I shown into you on training day. So make it like you have to revise this with me. Just right click on it, make on add files, and find the location where are my files are. Let's see, I have made a folder workshop. These are all my files which I showed to you. 2 picture files, 2 video files, 1 audio file. I can select all of them and just click open. It's importing the files and then finish. You can see here images are written over there, so images automatically came in this place, whereas audio file, there is one audio file. Sequence is going to be generated automatically. Video files are here, so my all library is already here. Images are here, all are there. On the screen it shows image, but my timeline is blank right now, so I have to add everything here, whatever I want to show you in the video. So let's say I want to use this image as a background, so I can just going to drag it, click and drag to the video track number 1 and just leave it here like this, and you can see that on this video track number 1 this is appeared. Okay, now I am going to just check either, okay, this cursor is working. This is very important cursor, and this one show the position of the video. Now I am going to add here a video on it. So just want to go on video file, look at here, click on the video file, select the man and drop it in the top of this. Like you can generate another video track above the video track 1. When you just leave it here, it will automatically appear names video track 2. You can see it here. Just drag it till the start of the video and you can see very easily here on the bottom the audio track is also be generated automatically. So now you have 2 layers of video. One is the background and one is this video background. If I double click on it, I can reach to background. If I double click on the video track 2, I will reach on the same place. So I am going to resize now, and when I click on this, you can see there is a circle here. This is for rotation and this is for size. So I'm going to make the size first of all, let it smaller, and when I change this red cursor, it can show it to me. Okay, so I think it is little smaller, let it make it bigger. Okay, so and move it somewhere where you want. This is simply I just check it. Let's check the video till now.
Break it down to lighting. I'm going to break it down into the camera settings because that's important.
So you can see like till here the background is here and this video is there, but video has their own background. So first I would like to, because I need a constant background, so I need to drag video track number 1, click from here, just drag till the end of this video, so it will become like the same one. Okay, so now my whole video contains 2 layers now, 2 video layers. One is video track 1 with the background, and second is video track 2, which is video, and in the last there is an audio track. You can see it here. Now I am going to remove the background of this man. This is a beginner video, so I am using a plain white background, and in the later videos I will show you how to change the colored background also. So anyways, just I want to right click on layer number 2, track number 2 anywhere, and you can see there is an effect here. Just click on the effect and you can see this kind of effects window. So I am going to add effect, so I just want to click on add and select green screen. Green screen is a technique of removing background. Okay, so now it's a green button is very clearly here. I just want to click on it and I can see another window, and I need to click on the color picker and just select the white background. Okay, nothing happened. Just press on OK. But when you come back again, you can see the background is going to be removed. Okay, so close this window and just check your video again. What will happen? Give it some time to give a review.
Break it down to lighting. I'm going to
like
break it down into the camera settings.
Standing on the place
important.
I have to show.
And then I'll show you how you edit this so that you get this really nice looking footage, because a lot of times when you see.
So this is how can I add and make a green screen for the file. So I'm going to add one more layer and one more animation I'm going to add. So you can see I'm just checking the video is working fine. Let's add some animals also. So you know that I have one green screen more, and I'm just going to drag, and above the video track 2 now I'm making a video track number 3. This video track number 3, let it be small, not very large, somewhere wherever you want. And same like video track number 2, I just want to right click on it, go to effect. Again same thing, I will just add a green screen, select green screen, and I just want to click on there. Wait a minute, it's loading. Okay, and again same thing, color picker, I will take this color and press OK, and replace swash or do not set. Okay, so I just want to click here and it's disappear. Okay, now you can see now it's what will happen here. Let's see what is going on.
And then I'll show you how you edit this so that you get this really nice looking footage, because a lot of times when you.
Okay, so now I'm just want to change them again for like in terms of their sizes. Double click on it, and you can see when I double click on this, circle will appear, which you can use to change the size and the position of animals. So I'm going to trace it somewhere here, and now I want to start my video again. Let's see.
Important. And then I'll show you how you edit this so that you get this really.
Now please understand this, the position, whatever you want, you can add things in the position depend. For example, I can in the end of the video I want, so I just simply drag it to where I want to start with, and when the videos will run till end, they will appear. Okay, you can see this, they are appearing, and this is how you can add more elements, up to you. Now I'm going to tell you how to add pictures and text. So now for example,
break it down to lighting. I'm going to break it down into the camera settings.
When he said camera, I want to add a picture of some picture on the same word. When he said camera, the picture will appear. Let's say again.
Break it down to lighting. I'm going to break it down into the camera setting.
So when he said camera, let's take a picture of camera on the same time. So I'm going to search a picture of camera, let's say. So I'll go for Google. Just want to search one picture of camera and see how it's work, how we're going to download. Okay, here I'm going to write down camera, images. Okay, and I want to select the white background for example, or so I'm just going to write down camera on white background and search to see either if we are capable to do it or not. Okay, there are some cameras are there. Let me choose any one. Someone is good. Let's say this one. Let's say select a better picture. Okay, let's say select this one. Okay, so I'm going to select this camera, and I'm going to choose this picture. So let me open in a new tab. Let's say it's open now. I'm going to save it anywhere I want. So let me save one workshop. Its name is cam. I saved it here. Now close it and go back to my Videopad. And now I need to add this file here, which is an image file. So right click, add files, camera. Okay, now I need this. When he said camera, a camera picture will appear. Let's see
the camera settings.
So here somewhere here he say camera. So I'm going to add one more layer. You can see this animal, I place it here, so I can add this. The whole place is available still, but I can add in another up layer. That is also easier for me. So I just click it here for now upper layer. Now see, camera is here. When I double click on the camera, I can change first the size of the camera, and going to do the same thing, green screen. Now this time a little faster. Select green screen, click on that, color picker, select anywhere, just color picker again, take a white color, okay, do not. So this is now camera is here. So sometime in normal lessons you don't need to remove the background, keep it same as it is, it's fine, so no problem. Anyways, let's see, place the camera somewhere. Let's see here. So when he said camera, I want this should be appear. So listen again.
Down into the camera settings.
So here it says somewhere camera. See the red. I will just want to check it again.
The camera setting.
Camera setting is saying. So here I just want to bring it here. Okay. So let's see what will happen.
I'm going to break it down into the camera set.
When he said camera, the camera is appear. Okay. You want to just make it for a small time. So just make it smaller. Let's see, it will disappear automatically.
To the camera settings, because that's important, and then I'll show you how you edit this so that
when we if we want to remove the picture on some special place, like when he say edit. So let's see when he said edit. 1 minute.
To the camera settings, because that's important, and then I'll show you how you edit this.
So in this place he said edit, so I would like to take it here. And so what will happen when he say camera, it will appear. When he say edit, it is disappear. You can enter your own video here on the same place.
Into the camera settings, because that's important, and then I'll show you how you edit this so that you get this.
So when he said edit, it's going to be removed. I think it's very easy. Now let's add some text. Okay, and for text also I simply go here on the top, it's written add text, just click on that, and right now I'm taking a very simple overlay, a simple writing a text, and I can when I just click on the text, you can see it's here. It's same like MS Word, just writing down, this is my first video editing. Okay, just want to click on it, make it size little bigger, or whatever you want, color you can choose whatever you like. Let's say the white color, no, let's say blue color. Okay, so do not switch, it's blue color, no shadow needed. Outline if you want, let's say make it outline, it's fine. Let's say what happening here now, it's this is my see, you can see there is. Okay, now I can place it again wherever I like. So for example here, so camera will appear here. Let's see, let's try again the video.
To the camera settings, because that's important, and then I'll show you how you edit this so that you
when
get this
edit,
really nice looking footage, because a lot of times when you see this kind of white cyc and it's not done right, people's like,
let's say we'll adjust, and when he say what you see, let's see
this kind of, because a lot of times when you see,
so I'm going to just place it here at C, just drag it on the red pointer, and that's it. So now you can see,
so that you get this really nice looking footage, because a lot of times when you see
when he said C, this is appeared. This is how we are going to enter some text. So this is, I think, very easy. Now how to export the file and make a MP4 file. So for this I need to go here and export, just click on it, click on video file, so and select your place where you want to make this recorded sessions. For example, I want to go in the same folder, training, so let me go there, library and workshop, and here I'm going to add name the file my first video editing file. I just save it here, and I can do necessary settings. For example, you can see there are so many options. If you want HD file, or you can 2K or 4K even, you can just do it and just press create. When you start doing it or create, it will show this kind of a small window, and you can see, okay, so it's about to finish. You can see now it's over, finish. Let's see it is saved or not. So here is my workshop, and let me check. Yeah, it's here now, my first video editing file. I just right click and just play. So this is your,
break it down to lighting. I'm going to break it down into the camera settings, because that's important, and then I'll show you how you edit this so that you get this really nice looking footage, because a lot of times when you see this kind of white psych and it's not done right, people's like skin is overexposed and things like that because they're trying to compensate to make this white. But it comes more into the lighting to make this pop and the person look good. So to break this down easily, you have a background and you have a foreground, and you're basically lighting those separately. So in my...
Thank you very much for your time. Take care, guys. Goodbye.